In this video, we'll show you how to see a list of which items have been ordered and who has ordered them through your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Reports and then Bookings. By default, your bookings report will show you the latest event you have bookings for. If you need to change this, click Event menu, then select the year and finally the name of the event. You can tailor the list by selecting from the product drop-down list, or you can reorder the list to be shown by any of the categories in the Group By menu. The list can be exported to Excel or PDF by selecting the appropriate button. Alternatively, click the Export Door Validation list, which will export a nicely formatted PDF with all the information you need to group by your previous selection. For example, by default, this would export a door validation of product groups on a separate page for you to print out and use at the event. And that's it. You've now successfully attained a list of items and you know who has ordered them. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.